Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So this is showing you my newest Baked Delights mini collection. This is very, very sweet, and I know lots of you are going to be very excited to see this set has come back again. And it's slightly changed. We've added a few extras and we've got a brand new one as well. So I'll show you those in a moment. But basically you've got this cute little ephemera pack. You've got your sticker sentiments, which are really handy. You've got your Baked Delights washi strips, which I've been using on my envelopes, and then you've got the two stamp sets here. So we'll have a little look in here and then I'll show you some of the samples. I'm not going to show you all of them. So I just started laying some of them out here. You've got little speech bubbles, which you can pop any sentiments that will fit inside those, but you'll see here, look, there's the little donuts which were in the original set, and the little cute cakes there. You've got two of the main ones, but in two sizes. So you've got a larger, and then you'll see that's slightly smaller. Same with the cake there, that one's bigger, that one's slightly smaller. You've got, I love the croissant, so cute. You've got two again, so there's that one, and then, oh, that's the bigger one. So that's the slightly smaller one. You've got the Tower of Cookies, which I think is really sweet. So that's a newer image. You've got the cakes, you'll recognise these, which we've done before. So these are already coloured for you. So I know lots of you like it when the images are all done. These ones here, I love these. French fancies, oh, they're so delicious. You've got your macaroons there. This is a nice one as well. Your stack of pancakes there with the little strawberries with the smiley faces. These ones, recognise those from last time. You've got Jammy Dodger. Again, two sizes there. You've got some little candles as well. And then you've got your little gingerbread. There's loads. Lots of the little speech bubbles, which look really good with your sentiment. You know, you can have that above all of the different, I'm calling them characters because they've got faces. So all of those lovely sweet treats. And then I really like this one here as well, where you've got the happy birthday there. Little cake topper. So you've got 50 pieces in the ephemera. Then you've got your Baked Delights. This is the sentiment sheets. There are 4 sticker sheets in here. These look nice stuck onto acetate. You can obviously stick them onto vellum. You haven't got to worry about then your glue coming through. You can back them onto mirrored card, do all sorts with them. So I have used some of this. But you've got loads of different sentiments. You've got simple happy birthday, so they're going to work across other themed cards as well. Then you've got happy cake day. Did someone say cake? Smile. Something sweet to make you smile. You are one smart cookie. Lots of these you would see in that original set, but we've also got them in a stamped form as well, but you've got them in the stickers as well. Thank you, you're the sweetest. Make a wish. There's always room for cake. Something sweet to make you smile. So again, some of them are repeated, but they're in different kind of, you know, styles and fonts. Make a wish again, hey cupcake. So you've got plenty there to keep you going. Then the washi strips, as you've heard me probably mention a few times now, I'm really getting into using my washi strips again, because I think for me it was knowing really where and how to use them. I'm using on my envelopes. All my envelopes now are getting decorated with washi strips. So I've got one here actually, just that example there where I've just put some of the stamps together from the, this was all launched with my wax seal kit. Yeah, that's how I've been using my washi strips. And then the stamp sets. These are stamp and die sets, so you've got the dies to cut them all out as well if you want. So you've got your Baked Delights, and then you've got goodies galore. So this has got your newer images on. You've got your bourbon biscuit there, the Jammy Dodger, the French fancy. You've got your Battenberg, the stamp, the pile of cookies there, or stacked cookies, your pancakes, the croissant, and then the sentiments here are thank you, you're the sweetest, happy birthday, anytime is biscuit time, you are one smart cookie, and oh crumbs, it's your birthday. And then this one here, again, most of them you've seen, but for anybody new, you've got obviously all these lovely cute images here. You've got the happy birthday cake topper style. Congratulations, I hope your birthday is full of cake and candles. Something sweet to make you smile. Thank you, sweetie. Happy cake day. And you've got the 3 candles there as well. I'll just take this out just so you can see. You know, they're nice big size stamps there and sentiments. Now there is also something else that is part of this collection, and that is this. It is a gorgeous pad. This is the premium foiled card pack, but unfortunately I just seem to be having a lot of bad luck when it comes to the paper pads, because we've had little issues with a few of them. But this one is still very usable. However, the toppers have been printed onto paper and the paper has been printed onto card, which, you know, you can, like I said, you can work with. So what they're doing is they're offering this free with any £40 spend on the new collection. So which I think is completely fair. Like I said, you can use this. I have actually used the topper and the papers on this lovely card here. So these were paper, but I just put some circle cardstock behind it to, you know, make them more stronger. But then the cardstock kind of things, so for example this one, that is the card in the pack, so you can use the card to make, you know, 3D 3D elements. So yeah, it is usable, but it wasn't at the standard that I would have wanted it to be. So this is going to be free with any £40 spend on the new products. And you can see here you've got some lovely papers. I have been using this pad, so some of the papers are already in the, you know, the samples that have been made, but you can see there. And then you've got some foiled ones there. So this is card. So you can do some little mini 3D, like little gift box would be nice with that. Maybe a mini gift bag. Again, beautiful images. And then these are the topper sheets, but you can see they're just so flimsy because they are on the paper. But, you know, add that to a cardstock, which is very easy to do. You know, they all come apart just like my other pads. You know, back those with some squares and they are, you know, completely usable. And I will be using them and showing them in tutorials. These toppers and stuff, you know, you can easily just fix them to a little bit of cardstock. But you've got, again, got some really nice ones here. Lots of different sentiments. There's 2 of each one. You've got this one here, which has got that topper. So a lot of them have fallen out as well, just because it's all so delicate. But it is usable. We're crafters. We adapt and we will find ways to make things work. But I just wanted to be completely transparent with that. But yeah, I think it's still for free. I think it's brilliant. So you can't grumble at that. So just wanted to add that in there. And yeah, I'll show you some more samples. So we put this collection with different mechanisms. So for example, this one here is using simple pop-ups. And I've made this one here with all of those cute little images just stacked up there. Calories don't count on the front. I've got the little pancakes there stacked up. And then Gemma's done this wonderful, this is using the 6x6 slide and reveal. And I love the way that she's used my chunky alphabet dies on the front. I've never thought to do that. So it's definitely something I'm going to revisit. So do not worry, calories don't count today. I thought that one was fantastic. I've done this one here. So this is the 6x6 circle slider. And you've got the 3 cakes there on the front, something sweet to make you smile. And then when you reveal it, hope your birthday is full of cake and candles. Gemma's done a great 3D project here. You are one smart cookie. I love the way she's just done a tower of the cookies there, which then made me think that would be a really good stamped image to do on the centre of the tower cards. So if you've got those, I think that would work. And she's even put cookies in, which Gemma, you know I'm going to eat. So I thought that's brilliant. And no doubt Gemma will have a tutorial for this. She tends to film most of the samples that she makes for me. And that just goes back through there. I'll tie that all together in a minute. I'll show you. She's done a fun fold here. I love that one. Any time is biscuit time. That's a fun just little just because card. A little bridge fold there. And this one I've made for the Craft Stash YouTube channel. And I just thought the dome shaped cards would work really well to make this kind of biscuit tin. So I've just got all the ephemera there. And then the sticker, thank you, you're the sweetest. So I do have some other samples here, but I'm going to leave those. I will be live over on the Craft Stash Facebook page at 12:30 BST. I'll be showing you all of this again in a lot more detail, and I'll be doing a couple of demos as well. And I can answer any questions that you have. We can go through all of the different bundles, show you all of the product in the deal of the day as well. And yeah, it should be a nice couple of hours. So I hope you like this. Those of you that have been asking for the stamp set, I hope you enjoy it. It's nice to have the physical set. Digitals are really handy, but I like to have the product. So I hope you guys do too. So you'll be able to shop all of the product by clicking here. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.